Here's my 2 or 3 year review, I forget how long I've had this, of the Harbor Freight Chicago Electric welding mask, self-darkening welding mask. There we go. I will search for the model number. And, oh, there we go, SKU 91214. Yeah, they don't sell these exact ones anymore, but if the new ones are an improvement, then it's a lot better than this one. And this one's good. I've had it for about 2-3 years, I think 3. And it's been in this hot ass shed for most of the time. So I was, of course, wondering, it's been in here, see, like the sticker is kind of folding over. And I was wondering if it still works. So I gave it a try. So the easiest thing to do is look into the sun without, there we go, see, boop. Boop, works just fine. It's comfortable and it works. This thing is batteryless. Uses that solar panel, there we go, solar panel right there for power. So that's one of the good things about it. You don't have to worry about changing batteries exploding inside of there, anything like that, any of that nonsense. It has the grind adjustment right there, and the sensitivity on the left, delay time on the right, and never had a welding helmet before, but from what I have seen, it works just fine.